Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about containers. There are different types of containers used in the global supply chain. Each type is made for specific cargo and transportation needs. Here are some common container types. Dry containers. These are the most common containers used for global trade. They are designed to carry dry items like electronics, clothing, and furniture. They come in standard sizes, usually 20 to 40 feet long, and are made of steel or aluminum. Refrigerated containers, also called reefer containers, these are designed for transporting goods that need specific temperatures, such as food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals. They have a cooling system and come in different sizes. Open-top containers. These containers have an open top and are used for cargo that can't be loaded through doors, like machinery, construction materials, and large items. Flat rack containers. These containers don't have sides and are used for transporting oversized or heavy cargo, such as machinery and vehicles. Tank containers. These containers are made for carrying liquids and gases, like chemicals and petroleum products. They have a tank and a pumping system. Please hit the like button and share the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get all updates in timely manner. Thanks, bye.